In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to level up Steam desktop account. Leveling up on Steam increases your profile's XP, unlocks showcase slots, and can expand features like your friends list. We'll focus on the simplest path, completing trading card sets tied to your games. Start by opening the Steam desktop app and signing in. It helps to make sure your client is up to date and that you have some Steam wallet funds if you plan to buy cards. At the top of the window, hover over your profile name to reveal the account menu. This sits in the upper right area of the client. If your window is narrow, expand it so the menu is easier to see. From that menu, click Badges. The Badges page is your hub for XP. You'll see all the badges you've earned or started, along with progress bars and how many trading cards you still need for each set. Pick a badge you haven't completed yet. Inside, Steam shows which cards you own, which ones you're missing, and what the completed badge will reward in XP. To finish a set quickly, click Buy Remaining Cards on the market. This opens the official Steam community market with the exact cards you're missing already filtered. Review prices, choose the lowest listings, and confirm each purchase using your Steam wallet. Fees are shown before you buy, and everything stays within Steam's secure system. Tip: double-check you're only buying the specific missing cards to avoid unnecessary duplicates. If you'd rather not purchase, you can also click Visit Trade Forum. There, users post offers to swap duplicates for the cards you need. Be mindful of community guidelines, use official trade features, and avoid engaging outside Steam's systems. Once you've collected the full set, Steam enables you to turn it into a badge that grants XP toward your account level. Some badges can be crafted multiple times for additional XP, so choose sets that fit your budget and goals. That's the process. Navigate to badges, pick an incomplete set, acquire the remaining cards through the market or the trade forum, and watch your level climb.